Breakthrough stocks that soared after the pandemic 2020 to post-pandemic. Find out why. Here are the lessons to be learned from this blog. Lesson 1. Diversification in investment portfolios is crucial during crises, as it helps cushion against sector-specific downturns. Maintaining exposure to essential sectors provides stability in volatile times. Lesson 2. Long-term investing proves advantageous when markets rebound, rewarding those who remain patient through temporary losses. A disciplined approach can transform market crises into opportunities. Lesson 3. Digital transformation is not optional, it is a necessity. Businesses that embrace technology early can better adapt to sudden shifts in consumer behavior and market dynamics. Lesson 4. Investor confidence is key to market recovery, often restored through clear communication and steady performance by resilient sectors. Trust in the market's ability to rebound is fundamental during turbulent times. Lesson 5. Economic crises reveal the importance of flexibility and rapid adaptation in business models. Companies that innovate and adjust swiftly to changing circumstances can thrive even under severe disruption. The initial crash and market plunge. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic led to an unprecedented downturn in the Philippine Stock Exchange Index PSEI. Between January and March 2020, the market experienced a dramatic decline of over 40%, with a single day on March 19 witnessing a near 13% drop, one of the steepest in its history. This chapter explains how fear and uncertainty, compounded by global economic instability, triggered panic selling and widespread market dislocations. The crash laid bare the vulnerabilities of even the most established markets when confronted with an unforeseen public health crisis. It also underscored the immediate need for resilience, as investors grappled with the shock of a rapidly deteriorating economic landscape, setting the stage for the subsequent recovery narrative. The road to recovery and renewed confidence. Following the historic plunge, the market began a steady recovery as economic activities cautiously resumed. Investor confidence started to rebuild when essential sectors demonstrated stability and growth. By the end of 2020, the PSEI had clawed back a significant portion of its losses. This chapter outlines how market sentiment shifted from panic to optimism, driven by both government measures and corporate adaptability. The recovery was not just a rebound, but a clear signal of market resilience. As investors reassessed risk profiles, essential sectors, bolstered by steady consumer demand, became the backbone of this turnaround. Resilient sectors and top performers. Essential industries emerged as the heroes of the crisis. Companies such as Purigold Price Club, Globe Telecom, and utility giants like Meralco and Manila Water showcased resilience by meeting the critical demands of everyday life. These firms benefited from the pandemic-induced surge in consumer spending on essentials, remote connectivity, and reliable utilities. The performance of these companies provided a comparative narrative to global counterparts and highlighted how local businesses could adapt to shifting consumer behavior. Notably, diversified conglomerates like Ayala and San Miguel Corporation further underlined the advantage of spreading risk across multiple sectors, offering stability even when individual sectors faltered. Adaptability through digital transformation. The pandemic accelerated a sweeping digital transformation across industries. Companies that quickly embraced online platforms, digital sales channels, and remote working technologies were better positioned to weather the crisis. For instance, Jollibee Foods Corporation leveraged digital ordering and delivery services to overcome lockdown challenges. This chapter details how rapid adaptation, combined with robust digital infrastructure, allowed firms like Globe Telecom to capitalize on heightened demand for connectivity. It further explains the strategic shift towards integrating technology as a means to drive efficiency, innovation, and long-term growth. The digital pivot not only ensured business continuity during the pandemic, but also set a precedent for future resilience, strategic lessons, and future outlook. The Philippine market's journey during the pandemic offers timeless investment lessons. The crisis highlighted the benefits of long-term investing, where patient investors who held onto quality stocks reaped significant rewards as the market rebounded. The role of diversified conglomerates also emerged as a critical stabilizer amid uncertainty, offering balanced risk exposure across sectors. This chapter synthesizes these insights, emphasizing the importance of investing in essential sectors, embracing digital innovation, and maintaining a long-term perspective. As the Philippine economy continues to rebuild, these strategic lessons remain essential for navigating future disruptions and capitalizing on emerging opportunities.